playing the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey little bugs. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start this thing off because honey, it's my birthday. I'm gonna cater to myself a little bit. Okay, so before I get into this bath, because what I was showing you guys a little while ago was the stuff that I was putting into my bath. Okay, so while the water is running, I went ahead and cleaned my skin and actually what that stuff called? Yeah, I remember, y'all. So it's called toner. So I applied toner to my face, and then after I did that, I went ahead and used my little aromatherapy diffuser type thing, and put some lavender in there, and then I lit my lavender candle because honey, lavender is just so soothing. You need lavender in your life, girl. Okay, so yeah, that's my little bathtub scene. Look at me, girl. Okay, yes. It's nothing like setting the scene for yourself to get just like relaxed and comfortable. After that, I applied my little robe, and I had this little roller thing in the freezer. I actually got that in my BoxyCharm, and then I'm gonna apply my mask. Okay, so after I apply my mask, then I'm gonna light this candle, and this is just a candle from Bath and Body Works. I forgot the name of it, but yeah, it's like black cherry or something. I love to have that one in my room. And then I chill a little bit, and after 20 minutes, I go in and I apply my moisturizers and all of that. I have dry skin, so I always like to apply multiple oils and moisturizers to my face. So right here, I'm applying my moisturizer to my face. And then, girl, we're going to put on these pajamas, okay? Yes, girl, I said more more pajamas. I'm a pajama girl, honey. I just am. I do want to mention, like, before I got in my bath, I had actually taken a shower. So the bath was just something to relax me. So that's why I had a towel on my head, because I had washed my head in the shower. So right here we are applying the wig. Who is we, girl? Who is we? Who is, I don't know. But yeah, I applied my wig, and this wig is from Love Me. I will have a direct link to my review on it in the description box. So after my wig is applied, I'm going to apply the spa headband. Normally, I would use a makeup headband, but child, I had the spa headband, so why not use it? And then I went in with this NYX micro brow liner, or whatever it's called. I love this pencil for my brows. And then I'm going to go into my, what type of, I think it's Born This Way. Yeah, Born This Way concealer, and I'm going to use that to prep my eyelids. Like, I'm not going to be using any dramatic eyeshadows because I really wanted this to be more of a fall look. I wanted my hair to be fall. I wanted everything to just give you guys complete fall vibes. So yeah, I could have did without the concealer, but I always use the concealer to clean up my brows. And while I'm using it to clean up my brows, why not also use it as an eyeshadow primer? So then I'm going to set it with this Juvia's Place powder. Y'all, if you've been watching me for a minute, you know I love this powder. You cannot go wrong with this powder. So then I'm going to go into this Too Faced natural something eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. I do love more of natural shadows. I'm just like a natural girl, especially when it comes to shadows and stuff. Child, who I'm kidding. I'm not a natural girl, but I am natural when it comes to shadows. Okay, so then I went into this ColourPop eyeshadow palette. Really, you can do this whole look with the other palette, but I wasn't thinking, so yeah, I did go in with that. And then I went back into that Too Faced palette, and I used All Natural for my eyelids, which is also the shade that I used as the whatever shade that the beauty gurus use that blends everything in together. Child, I don't know what it's called, but that's what I used. Okay, so yeah, it's just a really natural look. And then I'm gonna go in with this NYX liner. I love this eyeliner, y'all. This eyeliner has changed my life. It allowed me to learn how to do wings, because your girl could not do any wings prior to using this liner. This liner changed my life. So then I went in with my Lily Lash mascara. Child, use whatever mascara you got. It really don't matter, especially if you wear falsies like your girl do, okay? Those falsies are from Amazon. I will have a direct link to them down below in the description box. And yes, girl, it is an affiliate code. So if you don't want to help me get no coins, then don't use that link. And then I went in with these primers. One primer I basically use as a moisturizer, and the other one I use as a primer. So right here, I'm going into my NARS and Clinique foundations. I do use two foundations. Like, I don't know, I always do, whether they match or not. I always use two foundations. I don't know what it is. Girl, you don't have to do that. Like, this is a get ready with me, so I'm just showing you guys what I do. You don't have to do it, because girl, I ain't nobody's makeup guru, I ain't nobody's beauty guru, I ain't nobody's makeup artist. I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. Okay, so don't get no techniques. This is just purely for fun and to show you guys what I did on my birthday. Okay, like, not what I did, but how I applied my makeup and stuff on my birthday. So right here, I'm going into the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love this concealer. Like, even when they were canceled, child, I'm gonna be honest with you, I was still using the concealer, y'all. Oh my God, I'm such a traitor. But I was, like, I'm keeping it a buck. Okay, I'm keeping it a buck with you guys. So right here, I'm going to my Juvia's Place powder. Like, I just love this powder. This powder is life, honey. And I know they were canceled at some point too, but girl, I ain't got time. If I canceled everybody that the world told me to cancel, I would have no products to use. So, like, yeah. So right here, I'm going to my Sephora Micro Smooth. I'm just dusting away that powder. And then I'm going to my L'Oreal foundation stick. And I do use this more so as a contour stick. So I use that. And as you guys can see, I'm blending that in. And then I'm going to go into this Park Avenue Princess palette. This is something else from my BoxyCharm. And I use that as one of my bronzers. If you know me, you know I love a bronzer, girl. I'm a bronzer girl. So that's why I'm going to another bronzer, which is the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie. I love this bronzer. And then we're going to switch on over and get into this vintage eyeliner. Girl, I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out of this eyeliner. I've had this eyeliner for years. If you watch any of my makeup videos, it's the same eyeliner, girl. And I'm just going to this Ciante setting spray. It's the only setting spray I got, y'all. Ain't nothing spectacular. And then I went to my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. And it's just because Maybelline, my favorite, is just dead, girl. I had to use that. So now I'm going to this Milk. Is it Milk Cosmetics? I don't know. I'm going to this Milk eyeliner thing, pencil thing. And I'm putting that underneath, and I'm going to smudge that out because I kind of want it to be sort of sultry, smoky, looking grown, honey, because your girl is 32. Okay? I'm 32, so I want it to look grown. And then I'm going to this lip liner. Honey, don't ask me what color this lip liner is. I don't know. My favorite lip liner is actually Urban Cafe by NYX. This is by NYX, but it's not Urban Cafe. I just wanted a more neutral look instead of a more warm look. I wanted my lips to be more of a neutral. So I did that. And then I'm applying Quickie by ColourPop as my lipstick. And then we're going to this Hank and Henry eyeliner, and I'm going to use that to reapply the molds that I lost. And this particular mold, the one above my eyebrow, child, that ain't real. So I applied that too. So now we're going to be styling the wig. And yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And that's basically it, y'all. The rest is self-explanatory. So yeah, shout out to me for turning 32. Hey. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me for my 32nd birthday. I appreciate all the love and support you guys have shown me. Man, I love you guys. Y'all are literally the best. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.
the new news, she slaying the city. Don't make up, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous